Hello and welcome to this new video on how to make a group chat on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the TikTok application. It is available in both Play Store as well as the App Store. And when you are inside the TikTok application, you just have to look in the bottom taskbar. In the right hand side, there is an inbox option on the left side of the profile. So you just have to click on the inbox and the inbox will be opened. And when you are inside the inbox, in the top left corner, there is a plus sign. You just have to click on the plus sign and the list of friends or people that you have added in TikTok will be shown to you. You just need to select the people with whom you want to start the group chat, and when you click it, there is an start group chat button. In the bottom of the screen, you can click on start group chat button and you will be able to create a group chat on TikTok. So this is how you can easily create a group chat on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.